All right, everybody, we are on A-0645. It's 27th of December. We've been dodging rain today. We've got all of our forms taken care of. The last of our gravel. Our bottoms have been poured. And all of our equipment is on site. So we've tied back our floor slabs with number 3 bar. We've got our angle in place. And that's what it looks like over there. So those over there, we just took out that large section, tapping them in. And then we are going to pour back on Monday. And that's what we look like, everybody. Monday they will pour, and then we'll break them apart on Tuesday and rub them out, and we'll start setting the dock equipment. Our equipment has been picked up, and we'll start with the dock levelers, then the seals, and then the exterior stuff with all of the electrical that goes with them. So hopefully by the end of next week, a lot of this stuff will be setting in place, and we won't have any of the other materials sitting here. And that's us. Thank you for everything, and we will talk to you soon.